Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If you're ready to experience the next generation of home connectivity, the TP-Link Tri-Band BE19000 Wi-Fi 7 router, also known as the Archer BE800, is a complete game changer. This powerhouse router delivers unmatched speed, performance, and versatility, giving your home network the power it needs to handle anything, from streaming and gaming to smart home control and heavy data use. If you want to check it out yourself, the link's down below. The Archer BE800 redefines what a router can do, starting with its incredible BE19000 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 technology. This next-gen standard introduces major advancements like multi-link operation, multi-RS, 4K, QAM, and ultra-wide 320 MHz channels. Together, these features boost your connection speed and stability like never before. With blazing fast wireless speeds up to 11,520 megabits per second on the 6 GHz band, 5,760 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, and 1,376 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band, you can enjoy seamless 4K and even 8K streaming, ultra-responsive gaming, and smooth connectivity across all your devices. This router doesn't just deliver top-tier wireless performance. It's built to dominate in wired connections too. Featuring two 10G WAN/LAN ports, one RJ45 and one SFP plus fiber/RJ45 combo port. The Archer BE800 gives you true flexibility for both fiber and copper setups. Add in 4 additional 2.5G ports and a USB 3.0 port, and you've got everything you need to future-proof your entire home network. Whether it's high-speed file transfers, ultra-low latency gaming, or reliable workstation connectivity, this router is engineered to handle it all. Performance aside, the BE800 also stands out with its bold, modern design and built-in LED screen. The LED display provides real-time network stats, animations, and even customization options to give your setup a sleek, professional touch. Combine that with 8 high-performance antennas, beamforming technology, and proprietary Wi-Fi optimization, and you're getting stronger, faster, and more stable connections throughout your entire home. One of the best things about this router is how easy it is to expand your network coverage. Thanks to TP-Link's EasyMesh technology, you can pair it with compatible routers and range extenders to create a seamless whole-home mesh system. That means no more dead zones, lag, or signal drops when moving around the house. Just smooth, uninterrupted Wi-Fi wherever you go. And when it comes to security, the Archer BE800 doesn't hold back. It includes TP-Link HomeShield, the brand's premium network protection suite. You'll get free access to essential tools like security scans, IoT device identification, basic parental controls, quality of service, and detailed network reports. On top of that, you can create a private IoT network to isolate your smart devices from the main network, adding an extra layer of protection against potential threats. TP-Link also makes privacy a top priority with advanced WPA3 encryption, so you can connect confidently knowing your data and devices are safe. And if you ever need help, you get access to free expert assistance straight from TP-Link, ensuring you can get the most out of your new Wi-Fi 7 router. In short, the TP-Link Archer BE800 is built for users who demand the very best in speed, stability, and security. Whether you're streaming in ultra-high resolution, gaming in real time, or managing a smart home full of connected devices, this router has the bandwidth and technology to handle it all with ease. If you're ready to experience next-level performance and future-proof your network, the TP-Link Tri-Band BE19000 Wi-Fi 7 router is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Check it out yourself. The link's down below.